Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Spider Solitaire Card Sort. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically just solitaire on your phone, and we have it here open up on Google Play. And let's read about this game. So Card Sort tests your card matching mastery in this thrilling twist on classic solitaire. Sort chaos into order with satisfying match puzzles. So as you can see, there's 5 modes: require coin unlock, satisfying card matching, pure tap gameplay, no swipes, find pairs, and plan clears and feel that pop of victory. So as you can see, there are no promises of payout, just like the other scam games. So that's a good green flag right there. So it only has 50k downloads, so it's not that popular yet. So now the problem of the games like these that are coming out is that they have a lot of ads. So I've actually tried this game myself, and there are ads everywhere. So that's the only downside of this game. Other than that, it's very fun. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.